Hello, Kuya Luther. How are you? Good evening. I'm Ruth. Remember me? Do you remember me, Ruth? Ah, when do you want to visit here in the Philippines? I hope you will be back here during the graduation of Casey. Then, some of your friends here in AUP, do you remember the books that you gave them? Do you remember Brother Luwalhati, Mike Luwalhati? They always say, regards to Brother Luther, the books that they gave to me is, I always read it, and he said, it's good. It's nice to read it. And the ladies in the store, they said to me, regards to Kuya, and also the books that you gave them, it's the book they gave to me is very nice to read it. And then there's so many people here in AUP, they always say regards to you. I hope you will get well soon, and happy birthday. Bye. See you.